Hi, today we are going to learn where to get coupons for Udemy. So as we all know, Udemy is a website where you can learn so much things. So say for example, you want to learn about SPSS, you want to learn about Excel, you want to learn about Google Drive. So all you have to do is click on a course and then learn them. And the most amazing thing there is that we can actually earn certificates. So say for example, I'm going to click on my course. Say for example, this one. We actually have a certificate which can be viewed by anyone if you ever give them the link to your certificate. So it's very easy to verify your certificate. All you have to do is give them a code and then this certificate will be shown to them. So where do we get these certificates? So you have to finish the course first and then you will see a get certificate sign in here. So as you can see, this course is $9.99. So we can actually I actually got this for free. So where do I get my coupons? So I get my coupons in teaching guide. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we are going to mail drop because we are going to create a disposable account. So say for example, disposable at maildrop.cc. So we're going to create this email ad. So we've actually created it in seconds. So now we are going to try this service for free. So first is we enter the email that we just created, click on student, and then click on I'm not a robot, and then we're going to try the 7 days free trial sign up. So all we have to do now is verify the email that we got from this website. So we go back to our disposable email and then all we have to do now is view our inbox and try to see if we have a confirmation email. So we're going to have to reload this. So after reloading, you are going to get a confirmation code or confirmation email. So the next thing that we're going to do is confirm email. So now we have actually confirmed our email and then we're just going to write a password for our account. So once we have created our password, this will automatically log us in. So say for example, we're going to see Udemy coupon codes. So these codes are really amazing because you can get courses for free in here. Say for example, this is actually $44 and then you're going to get it for free. So say for example, I'm going to go into the most popular courses that are there. And then say for example, I want to learn about Microsoft Excel for data analysis. So we're actually going to check how much this thing is in our Udemy account. So I'm going to check it. I'm going to leave this one here. And then I'm going to search for a course for that particular course. So as you can see, it's $9.99. And we are going to enroll this one by using a coupon. We can actually do it here, but then say for example, you got a code. I'm going to teach you how to apply it. So all you have to do is copy the coupon code and then apply coupon code in here. Click on that and then watch closely the $9.99. It's now for free. So we can actually enroll this now. Once we have enrolled that, it's considered that we have already paid for that. So now it's $0. So enroll now. And then you can start the course or whatever you want to do. And then if you want to check if you have actually that course paid for, you're going to go to your My Courses. It's actually showed there. See that? You have actually have this course. You're supposed to pay $54, but then it's now $0. So I hope you learned something today and you find this video useful. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and then like, share, and comment. So this is it for A Statistics. Peace.